Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll scan through our entire body, tuning into the rich landscape of sensations that are present and relaxing deeply. Begin by settling into a comfortable position. For this practice, you can choose to sit upright, or if you prefer, you can also lie down. Whatever you choose, make sure you're able to relax and that you also remain alert and present. Now, softly close your eyes and give yourself permission to fully release any unnecessary tension. Turning your attention to your breath, take a few deep inhales and exhales, allowing your body to settle. Deep inhales, filling your ribs and lungs, and slow exhales, releasing. And now, we'll begin to scan the body. Your work is to simply bring your attention to each part of the body as it is named. Notice the sensations that are present there, and inviting a sense of release and comfort. Let's begin at the feet. Become aware of your feet. Notice how they feel. They might feel warm or cold. Perhaps there is a pulse or a tingle. You don't even have to name the sensations at all. Simply feel your feet being feet. And now bringing a sense of comfort and appreciation to your feet. Let them soften and relax. Now, move your attention up to your shins and calves. Becoming aware of the sensations in your lower legs, from your knees all the way down to your ankles. And now, inviting in a sense of surrender as you allow your lower legs to soften. And draw your awareness up to your thighs now. Just tuning into any physical sensations in your thighs, at the front, the back, and the sides. Let your entire thighs relax deeply. Now feel into your pelvic area, noticing the sensations in your hips, your glutes, your lower belly, and allowing any tension here to melt away. Now tune into your abdomen, observing whatever sensations are present in your whole belly. And now soften and release any tension here. And follow your awareness up the front of your torso, noticing your ribcage and chest. Feel into all of the feelings and sensations. And bringing in comfort, deeply relax your ribcage and chest. Now direct your awareness to the back of your body. Tap into the range of sensations in your upper back, middle back, and lower back. And with loving comfort, let go of any holding or tension in your back body. Now feel into your shoulders. Notice the sensations there, just as they are. And consciously soften and surrender the weight of your shoulders. And now your arms. What are the sensations in your arms, all the way down to your wrists? Softening your whole arms, let them become heavy. Feel into your hands, palms, and fingers. The hands are generally quite rich in sensations. Notice them. And deeply surrender your entire hands. Now, shift your awareness to your neck. Notice how it feels. And let go of any gripping or tightness in your neck. Now notice your face. We often hold so much in our face, almost like we're wearing a mask. Just feel into the sensations that are present in your jaw, your lips, your cheeks, your nose, eyes, and forehead. And softly relax all the muscles in your face. And become aware of your scalp. Simply observing the physical sensations there. And again, bringing comfort and ease to this part of your body. Finally, tune into your whole head. Can you notice the physical sensations inside of your skull? And let your head surrender completely. Let it become heavy. Now, gently tune into your breath again. Let your whole body breathe with you. Notice how your entire body gently floats with each inhale and releases every time you exhale. And for the next few moments, give yourself permission to rest in your experience exactly as it is. Now gently bring your awareness back into the room around you. When you feel ready, bring small movements back into your fingers and toes, and softly open your eyes. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.